Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Denmark. We've been to Denmark twice now, so we thought we'd do a video of what we did. So whether you're visiting Denmark for a day or a few days, here are some ideas on what to see and do. On our first visit to Denmark, we went to Grenen. Grenen is the northernmost point of Denmark. It is about 3 kilometers from Skagen, and you can get there by foot, bus, bike, or Sanderman, which is a tractor-pulled trolley and a fun way to get to Grenen. Grenen has a unique natural phenomenon where two seas collide, the Skagerrak and the Kattegat seas. Visitors can stand with 1 foot in each sea, and if you look closely, you can see where the two bodies of water collide. There's also an old World War II bunker in Grenen, and that was interesting to see. After Grenen, we went back to the very quaint town of Skagen. There we shopped, tried the iconic open-faced sandwiches, and in true vintage traveler's fashion, checked out a local supermarket. Here's a travel tip. If you like candy, don't miss out on Danish candy. It's some of the best we found in any of our travels. On this particular trip, we took the hop-on hop-off bus, and we were able to see a lot of different sights in town. This is the iconic street of Nyhavn. This is the famous picture postcard colorful street that you're probably most familiar with. If your time is limited, it's a must-see, so put it on the top of your travel list. Just a 10-minute walk from this famous street, you can also see the Copenhagen Opera House from across the harbor front. Next is the must-see Tivoli Gardens, otherwise known as just Tivoli. Tivoli is the second oldest amusement park in the world and is located in the city center, just a 2-minute walk from Copenhagen Central Station. It was founded in 1843 and was a major inspiration for Walt Disney when he was creating Disneyland. Tivoli has beautiful gardens, live performances, rides, and a variety of food. It's also walking distance from City Hall and the main shopping street called Stroll. Here's a travel tip. General admission prices for Tivoli is about $23 for adults and $10 for children. Ride passes can be purchased separately, or you can buy a combined entry and ride pass. Check their website for most up-to-date prices. Next, you can't come to Copenhagen without seeing the Little Mermaid statue. The Little Mermaid is a famous bronze statue located in Copenhagen Harbor. The statue was created by sculptor Edvard Eriksson in 1913. The Little Mermaid is inspired by the fairy tale written by Hans Christian Andersen. Speaking of Hans Christian Andersen, you can find his statue across from Tivoli. His statue sits right outside City Hall Square. There you'll find the City Hall building, which is a beautiful building used for city council meetings, weddings, and national celebrations. And Just a short walk from City Hall is lots of shopping, or sit down and enjoy some coffee and pastries at a nice coffee shop. If you go to Copenhagen in the summer, be sure to walk around the city center to enjoy all the beautiful flowers. Just look at these amazing flowers on one of the sidewalks near city center. If you learned anything new today or just liked hanging out with us, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. It'll really help our channel and keep more videos coming your way. Whether you come for the sights, food, or shopping, you'll enjoy your time in Denmark. We know we did, and we wouldn't hesitate to come back one day. Thanks for joining us on our tour of Denmark. We look forward to you joining us vintage travelers in our next video coming out in just a few days. Bye for now.